I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an active Deriv account, API permission, and a development environment. Once done, generate an API token with the trade and read scopes and store it securely. Next, install Node.js or Python and the official client library. This gives you the tools to interact programmatically. Make sure to test connectivity by running a simple status request. If that succeeds, you're ready to build the first automated action. Initiate with a safe test trade or simulated order. Once connected, configure your bot with environment variables for API token, account type, and endpoint so you avoid hard-coding secrets. Then implement robust connection handling, automatic reconnects, exponential retries, and clear parsing of incoming messages. Next, code your strategy logic. Define entry signals, position sizing rules, stop loss, and trade lifecycle management. Make sure to separate real money execution from simulation. Use small risk parameters initially. Test step by step so each module behaves as expected before enabling continuous operation. You deploy the bot to a stable host and run it under a process manager while shipping logs to a central store. Monitor essential metrics like PNL, win rate, latency, and API error rates so you can spot issues early. If unexpected behavior appears, inspect logs, replay event streams locally, and toggle a safe mode that halts all new trades. Make sure to keep backups of config and tokens and schedule periodic reviews. One key troubleshooting tip: reproduce errors in a sandbox and only then change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.